Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 3289. The two sneaky numbers of Digitville. So the approach to solve this problem is first, we want to go through all elements in this array so we can find out the two sneaky numbers. Then next, we want two variables. So first and second, so we can save the result to be returned. Then the key point is, how do we find out which one is the sneaky number? What we can do is we can count the frequency of each number. If it could be 0, could be 1, could be 2, or greater than 1. There's nothing wrong if it is 1 or 0. 0 means we haven't reached it yet. But if it is greater than 1, say 2, that means it is a sneaky number. So we want to find out the first one, then the second one. Once we find out the second one, we can stop the loop. Means we have finished the task and find out all the two sneaky numbers.